Building passive income is a great way to achieve financial freedom and diversify your income streams. Passive income is money you earn without much ongoing effort, usually from an initial investment of time, money, or resources. There are many ways to generate passive income depending on your skills, interests, and goals. Strategies for building your passive income portfolio include investment-driven options like stocks and real estate, as well as resource-based avenues like digital products and content creation. In a world where economic stability can seem like a distant dream, taking control of your financial future is more important than ever. Passive income is not just a buzzword, it's a strategic approach to diversifying your income streams and securing financial independence. At its core, passive income is about making your money work for you. It's income earned with minimal ongoing effort, a stark contrast to the 9-to-5 grind. The beauty of passive income lies in its ability to generate earnings over time, often with an initial investment of time or resources. Passive income is not synonymous with no effort. It typically involves an initial investment of time, effort, or capital. But once established, these income streams require much less active involvement compared to a traditional job. You will never be truly financially free if you are working. Financial freedom means you are free to pursue anything in life without financial constraints. This is how passive income is so monumental to your financial growth. To be financially free, you must have a passive income portfolio. Over time, these streams can grow and compound. This offers you not just stability but also the opportunity for exponential wealth growth. The concept of passive income can be broken down into two primary categories. Investment-driven income. This involves putting your money into assets or ventures like stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Resource-based income. This includes leveraging assets you own, such as renting out property or monetizing a skill set through digital products. Here are some of the most popular and effective passive income ideas for you. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without having to handle inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. You simply create a website, find a supplier, and market your products to customers. You earn a profit from the difference between the price you charge and the price you pay to the supplier. Create and sell online courses. Online courses are a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others and earn passive income. You can create courses on any topic you are passionate about, such as business, fitness, photography, or languages. You can use platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable to host and sell your courses. Invest in stocks. Stocks are shares of ownership in a company that you can buy and sell on the stock market. Investing in stocks can be a lucrative way to earn passive income, especially if you choose dividend-paying stocks that provide regular payouts. You can also benefit from capital appreciation if the value of the stocks increases over time. Buy and sell properties. Real estate is one of the most popular and profitable passive income sources. You can buy properties and rent them out to titans, generating a steady income from the rental payments. You can also flip properties, which means buying undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them for a higher price. Create and sell digital products. Digital products are any products that can be delivered online, such as ebooks, software, music, or podcasts. You can create digital products on any topic or niche you are interested in and sell them on platforms like Amazon, Shopify, or Gumroad. You only need to create the product once and you can sell it multiple times without any additional costs. Publish Instagram sponsored posts. If you have a substantial following on Instagram, collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Create a print-on-demand store. Design custom merchandise like t-shirts or mugs and sell them online without handling production or shipping. Help businesses bring in clients. Offer lead generation services or consulting to businesses in exchange for a fee. Create an app, develop a mobile app that solves a specific problems or entertains users. Monetize through ads or in-app purchases. Buy and flip websites. Purchase existing websites, improve them and sell them for a profit. Become an affiliate marketer. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn commissions on sales. Share your expertise, hobbies, or entertaining content on YouTube and earn money through ads and sponsorships. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort upfront, but the rewards can be significant in the long run. Choose these strategies that align with your interests and skills and start creating those income streams. Anyone can start a passive income side hustle for easy money, but only if you know these essential tips first. To understand the right passive income source, to begin building your portfolio, you need to know your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance refers to how much risk you can take without impacting your financial security. There are some great risk tolerance calculators online that can analyze this for you. Make sure you complete this step before diving in. Now, just as all passive income streams are not created equal, some require you to reach specific milestones to engage with them. These streams often involve you needing to be an accredited investor. Being an accredited investor means you satisfy one of the two criteria. You have an annual income exceeding $300,000 or $400,000 together with a spouse for the last 2 years, expecting the same in the coming year. You have a net worth exceeding $1.5 million, not including the value of your primary residence. Investments with higher returns typically require you to reach this status. This is because they are often off market and carry higher risk compared to public investments. But just because they have higher risk does not mean the risk in itself is high. It just means it is higher than publicly available. Investments start by educating yourself on what accredited investing is and aim towards this as your long-term investing goal. I have introduced the concept of passive income to you, and you know the basics. A small amount of growth daily will lead to great results. These are just some of the many passive income ideas you can try in this year. The key to success is to choose something you enjoy and are good at, and to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. Passive income can help you achieve your financial goals and live the life you want. Good luck. Thanks for watching video. Press bell icon, subscribe channel, like video, share video with friends.